Hi, I'm Clay Allison with The Wicked Edge, and I've got a very interesting knife here in front of me. This was sent in by a customer, Lucas Silva, and Lucas says, "Hi, please sharpen this 70-30 righty," and what he means is 70% on one side and 30% on the other, with a right-handed preference at your recommended angle. Here's what I know about the knife. He says, "These knives are made from our house steel, 12C27, and are finished to a 57 to 58 Rockwell hardness. They're hollow ground for maximum edge retention." So I've got to take a lot of metal off of this knife to get that 70-30 bevel proportion, and so I'm using my super coarse 50 and 80 grit stones. But the real thing I want to show in this video is something that was brought up by one of our customers, Jay Davis, on one of the videos that he posted. It's an excellent video, and he called out attention to the fact that when you're sharpening, especially with diamond, there's a lot of metal dust generated, and there can be potential hazards for your health with metal dust. So we've been going back and forth, several of the guys on our forum and Jay Davis, about what to do about that problem. And people have started using magnets and different strategies, but I've come up with a strategy that I think works beautifully. And it's really simple. What I've got here is just a little plate and a dish sponge with some dish soap. I'm just using some Dawn dish soap and a little bit of water on the bottom. And so my strategy is really very simple. I just take my stone, press it on here a little bit. You can see it slightly foamy. And then when I slide it on the rod, there's no dripping that's going on, but check this out. As I scrub away, and again, I'm being very aggressive here because I want to remove a lot of metal to create this 70-30 bevel. But I can just scrub away like this, and it's just creating a nice foam. No dripping, so it's not at all messy. And I know I'm taking some pretty good amount of metal off with these aggressive stones. Occasionally when I'm doing this 70-30 bevel, I'll knock the burr off this side real quickly, and then I'll go back to the grinding. When I'm confident that I've gotten a bevel that is a little more than double the size on one side than the other, then I'm about satisfied with the proportions. So anyway, I'll keep grinding here for just a minute more. Knock that burr off and keep at it again. Now, there's no mess getting created at all here on my base or on my desk. And if I take this paper towel here and slide it along the edge, you can see just how much metal has come off. But it's all contained right there in the foam, so I'm not really worried now about breathing any of it in or it getting all over my workspace. So to me, it's a very elegant, simple solution, and it has the added benefit of making the stones perform even better. So simple, easy trick with household items to minimize your dust from the steel and give you better sharpening results.